Look, V Banksy and Corey. It's 1-1. Well, I'm just 1, so it's basically 2-1 now. Look, one of your opponent's response means he's leaving the game.
Sure, we've got to go to bed.
Look, you win. 2-1. Look, that's his unique ID to prove it's the right account. Show that I'm on the right account. V Banksy. And the right time. 23rd of May. 11:47. Thanks for watching.